Hi, in this video I'm going to give a quick review of the Apple Airpods. I've always used normal headphones and I've had to replace my headphones several times in a year. I don't even know what happens. Sometimes one hair is working, the other one is not working. So eventually my children persuaded me to spend a little bit and get this this Apple Airpods. It's really nice, beautiful packaging. What's in the box? You get the charger comes with it. You have free charger. You have the case that you keep it in. You have the cordless earpiece that you just place into your ears and it stays. I've had a few cordless one that you plug into your ears and the next thing that happens, one is falling off or the other one is twisted to the back of your hair and you are looking at yourself and wondering what went wrong. But this one just stays intact. It's so nice. It's really nice and I would recommend this Apple product. You spend 150, 170 pounds on it, but you can use it for I think even years and years without any problem. I've used this now for almost a year and I'm still raving about it, telling everybody who wants to spend money on a headphone to get this AirPod. It's really beautiful. I got mine in white, but I think it comes in other colors as well. So what does it say about this on the box? You see, it says it's compatible with iOS device, Apple Watch or Mac with the latest software. So this is compatible with any of the Apple products really, your laptop, your computers and your watch and also your phone. So I've been using it recently, with my phone and also for music, and wherever you are you can pick up your calls in it. You can swap between music and phone calls. It's just really very useful to have, and I think it's a good product that I would recommend. And this cool case also is an advantage. So when you're on the go, you charge it. This is how you charge it. You plug your cable in there and then you can charge it overnight, and it tells you once you plug it, you start using it, it shows on your device how much battery is left on it, and you have it in green. So you plug it back in and then it just clicks like a magnet, and see, so it's standing in there, not falling off, and then you close it and that's good to go in your purse or in your handbag or wherever you store it. So I hope I've been able to say a little bit that I know about this wonderful product from Apple, the Apple Airpod. Thank you for watching my channel once again, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.